let's talk about internal working models. This is another brilliant concept that we can borrow from the field of psychology to enhance our practice in children's social care. Today, I want to think about it in the context of adults and parents we work with, but I am going to make another video thinking about it in relation to children and parenting support. I want to focus on the internal working model of self and close relationships. In the context of self, this describes our mental representations of how we see ourselves, what we think and feel about ourselves. In the context of relationships, it captures what we feel is normal and acceptable communication and behaviour within our close relationships with partners and children. Now, our attachment experiences have a huge influence on the formation of both of these models, how we see ourselves and our relationships. If someone had a potentially abusive or neglectful childhood, in order to make sense of that abuse, they may have internalised that they are unlovable, difficult, nasty, stupid, horrible. Some of these things may have been said directly to them. Unfortunately, what can happen is a child starts to behave in a way that fits with that developing sense of self, and they can take some of those associated behaviours with them into adult life. Giving some consideration to how someone views themselves and their model of what is normal within close relationships is really key to understanding their everyday behaviour, interactions, parenting, and definitely how they might interact and engage with you. If you can, spend some time reflecting on what the internal working model of self and close relationships might be for a parent that you're working with. You can do that in supervision, but also when possible, start to explore this concept with the parent.